Okay, so as you promised, here's the Ryanair taking off. Also, this is like going to be an, I think it's an Air Malta jet taking off, it might be an Emirates A330 taking off. Here's the Ryanair coming in 3, 2, 1. Right, so after a while here, there'll probably be an Air Malta. And maybe this guy over here, Emirates A330, big plane. Probably the biggest plane at this airport moment in time. Well, no, it's not the biggest ever. I think that was an A380, biggest plane in the world. I can hear one leaving, but I don't. Oh, wait. Here it is. Here's one leaving. Getting ready to go any minute. Another Air Malta. Right. There's this one taking off. Unexpected, actually. Also, I think there's a Swiss one coming later. I'm not really that sure. Alright. All I have to do is wait for this. All I have to do is wait for him to get clearance. Long wait. Here it goes. There's this fucker. Ooh. Right, next video will probably be Emirates A330 taking off. After that, it'll be, I don't know, probably Swiss Air Jet actually, probably a Swiss Air Jet. Bye!